अब आ रहे हैं रशिया मूल के 97 किलो के अब्दुल सलाम गालिसोव फ्रॉम हरियाणा।
And following a boat, खुले दिल के बंदे हैं, खुला खाते पीते हैं, मस्ती में रहते हैं, मौज में जिंदगी जीते हैं।
पतंजलि पावरवीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 में अब आ रहे हैं मुंबई महारथी की ओर से यूक्रेन मूल के पावलोव ओलिनिक।
So this is the third bout of the opening day of season 2, and it's the captain Abdusalam Gadizov who's up against this young kid Pavlo Olenik. But these are the big boys in action, the men's 97 kg category. Now Abdusalam Gadizov, 27-year-old from Russia, World Cup silver, World Championship gold in 2014, the World Championship silver as well in 2015. In 2016 of the World Cup he won the silver. So he's a seasoned campaigner. He's the captain of the team, is Gadizov from Russia, and he is up against Pavlo Olenik. Pavlo Olenik, interestingly, 2015 the World Championships he had the bronze. World Cup 2014 he finished just outside the medals. The 27-year-old from Ukraine. The important part is these are the big boys in action, the men's 97 kg. So this is where probably we'll see a lot more upper body weight being used to dominate the opponent rather than swift moves, Ajay.
Absolutely, and I feel, the ties very nicely, very evenly placed now. 1-1. What Arika did for her team, Mumbai Maharathi, was pretty important. She brought the team back, and this contest holds a lot of importance now, Raman. The start is going to be very important. Pavlo, all depends on him, how attacking he is. He's got a bit of experience behind him. He was sold for 15 lakh rupees. In comparison, Abdul Salam was sold for 20 lakh to Haryana Hammers. So it's a very even contest, I feel, between the two.
The interesting part, you talked about money there, because Abdul Salam Gadizov, Haryana Hammers didn't break the bank for him. As you said, they spent 20 lakhs on him. But in Indian, Sandeep Tomar went for 31. And they spent a lot on Sophia Madison. But for the moment, Pavlo was in a spot of bother. Good defense from him.
This is a 97 kg game, and you see the footwork won't be much. They will rely a lot on power, on their muscle strength, which is going to be very important. The upper body as well. And that's exactly what they are doing. Not much of footwork, not much of movement at the moment. Just taking their time, both the grapplers.
Two Livathians in action, but that's a good single leg grip that Abdul Salam's got. Now can he capitalize on it against Pavlo? Yes, tackles his opponent as well, gets him down on the ground, but wasn't able to get around him quickly enough to convert that into points. It was an interesting move from Abdul Salam Gadizov.
Absolutely, and I think that was pretty important as well. But a good comeback by Pavlo. Very good comeback. Good technique employed by him.
And now the interesting point is we've got the scoring system showing 2 points. Now it's been set right. 2 points for the blue, which remember is Haryana Hammers.
I just thought, Raman, that still Pavlo made a very good comeback because he was in all sort of trouble. That single leg tackle, he was off balance, made a very good comeback, remarkable comeback, showed very good technique as well, good defense by him.
Yes, but you've got to realize that the Russian, Abdul Salam Gadizov, he's definitely looking more aggressive. So 2 points ahead, the captain of Haryana Hammers against Olenik. He's just signaling to the referee that there's some illegal holds being deployed by Olenik.
Yeah, absolutely. Very quick to pounce on that. And bit of blood as well coming out there from his right here. Just getting the treatment that's needed at the moment. And the illegal hold you're mentioning about, that's the reason this bout was immediately stopped by the referee.
He'll have this happen a few times and he just shakes it off, doesn't he, Abdus Salam Gadazov? It's like a battle tank. You look at these two, they're big guys. One of them from Russia, that's Gadazov. Olenik's from Ukraine. For the moment, Gadazov just defending very well indeed.
Just feel Pavlo has to be more attacking. He's got to be into the game. Because you see that Abdul Salam is making all the moves. He's attacking all the time from the very first minute. Pavlo has to be attacking. Just playing the waiting game at the moment.
And it's so surprising, Ajay, because you look at what Pavlo is. He's actually in the center of the mat. So he should be the one who should be dominating proceedings. But you look at the way Gadazov's moving around the mat. He's showing a lot more alacrity. Despite the weight category that he's competing in, he's a lot more aggressive. He's a lot more agile as well. And he's always looking for the opportunities.
And just see how Abdul Salam is moving back as well. He's defending pretty well. Pavlo, once he started attacking, especially in the last 10-15 seconds, just moving back a shade. He knows not much time left now in this round. Just about under 10 seconds. So he's making the right moves. Experience really showing here for the Haryana Hammers captain.
And that's the end of the first round. 3 minutes gone. And it's Abdul Salam Gadazov who's leading by 2 points to nothing. The captain of Haryana Hammers making that move early on in the opening round against Pavlo Olenik of Ukraine. Let's take a look at what transpired, the highlights of that opening round so far.
Abdul Salam was attacking, making the right moves. Pavlo should have been more attacking. Then was off balance, single leg tackle, came back strongly. Still 2 points for Abdul Salam.
And that was the single leg tackle that got him those 2 points. So he's held on to that lead, and that's the way it stands at the end of the first 3 minutes. We've got the second round coming up in just a bit. Do stay with us. It's the big boys in action. This is the third bout of the opening day of PWL Season 2. And it's Abdul Salam Gadazov of Haryana Hammers who's leading 2-0 against Pavlo Olenik from Mumbai Maharathis. Remember, the man in your picture frames won the gold at the World Championships in 2014. Did Gadazov. He's in the lead. And can he consolidate on that lead over the next 3 minutes? In the second round, I'm Raman Banot. With me is Ajay Mehra. Ajay, it'll be interesting to see what Pavlo does.
Yeah, absolutely. His coach had a word with him, probably just telling him the planning, what exactly strategy he's got to employ. Remember, in the World Championship in 2015, he won a bronze as well. But at the moment, Abdul Salam getting a good hold. And once again, off balance by Pavlo. Abdul Salam is dominating this game. He's making the right moves. And he's got a very good hold at the moment.
Oh yes, he's picked up another couple of points which will reflect now on your screens as well. Yes, he's got behind his opponent, then tried to flip him over to capitalize on it, but 2 more points, so he's up 4-0.
That's a superb takedown from him, Raman. I think he's making the right moves. Pavlo, we mentioned earlier as well, he's got to be more attacking, he's got to dominate. He's just lagging behind at the moment. This is the time he's really has to step on the gas.
But the sheer pedigree of Abdul Salam's showing in this bout now. 2 decisive maneuvers, and both times he's gone for that single leg tackle. Now he's defending well. Look at that. Keeps Pavlo away from that right leg that he tried to grab. So he's quick on his feet as well. Quick to defend, not just attack. And now he goes for that single leg hold again. He's managed to get hold of one leg. He'll try and get hold of the other leg as well. 2 more points there for Abdul Salam. So the Haryana captain is now leading 6-0.
Oh, brilliant skills by him. Technically looking very strong. Pavlo really looking shattered. He's got to come back. Not going to be very easy for him. Because Abdul Salam as a captain, he's done pretty well.
So the captain of Haryana Hammers is making sure that his team takes the lead in this contest against the Mumbai Maharathis. Now he's got that 6-point lead, so he's defending comfortably. And again, Ajay, you look back at those decisive moves. He's gone for that left leg. He's got hold of that single leg tackle, got around his opponent cleanly enough every time he's gone for it.
Absolutely, twice so far in this game, in this match. And I think he's done pretty well for himself. Remember, both the captains in the last game as well, Erika Webb, she did well. So as a captain, you got to show that skills and set the tone for your team.
But tell you what, now it's not easy. With a 6-point deficit, Pablo's not going to find it easy to come back. In fact, Abdul Salam's going for more points. And this is where fatigue sets in. Remember, men's 97 kg category. These are big boys in action. And by this time, you've got the lactic acid building up in the muscles. It becomes heavier to lift your arms, to just try and even flex your shoulders becomes a pain. Last 20 seconds to go. It's going to be really tough for Pablo Olenek to come back.
Very rightly said, this is a heavyweight category, never easy. Also, you can see from the moves from Pablo, looking a bit lethargic now. He knows not much time left, just under 10 seconds. So just giving up now. But full marks of the Salam, the way he's played so far in this bout.
And that's the final hooter. The captain will walk away with a win. Haryana Hammers are 2-1 ahead now with a comfortable win for their captain, 6-0. Abdul Salam Gadizov of Russia beats Pablo Olenek of Ukraine. And again, this was very one-sided. The score sheet very reflective. Pablo did try and put up a fight, but Abdul Salam really was on top of his game.
Yeah, absolutely. Haryana Hammers taking a slender lead now. They're 2-1 ahead as far as this tie is concerned. And 6-0 win for the captain, Abdul Salam, beating Pablo and dominating this game as well.
Let's take a look at the highlights of this bout. This is what happened in the second round, where the strong takedown from Gadizov resulted in a couple of points. He managed to get behind his opponent. Then, in another takedown, tried to grab both legs of Olenek. Wasn't able to do that, but that single leg tackle hold that he got, managed to get around his opponent. Was 6-0 up, then just kept his opponent at arm's length. Kept him at bay.
Absolutely. Mixed caution with aggression, win this game. Abdul Salam, brilliant work done by him.
असली दंगल